everybody, and welcome to Cope with Hope. Today, I'm going to be interviewing one of my closest and dearest friends, Sharmila Khanna. I met her years ago in our early 20s when we were both modeling together. We've traveled around the world together, shared a room, been through everything together, ups, downs, happiness, lows. We fought with each other, we made up with each other, but we've always supported each other. We've always accepted each other for who and what we are. We're both a lot alike, and we're also very, very different people. And I think the core and the essence of our friendship is the gratitude and love we have for each other, and the fact that we accept each other's differences. I think that's a very important point in any friendship and in life, in fact. Accepting that everyone has a different point of view and a different way of living and different interests, and we just have to be happy for the other always. And that's one thing that my friend Sharmila is. She's always happy when somebody else is happy. She's the most generous, kind, loving human being that I know. She only gives. And the biggest thing that I attribute to her is her ability to be happy for others. I love her very, very much, and I know that she loves me back that same very, very much. I mean, there are not enough words to describe our friendship and what I feel about her. I'll quickly get her on and let her tell you what she's been doing all these years, what she's doing now in these 40 days, and her most amazing, successful career. Sharmila is always on top of everything. So she'll tell you about when her career started as a model and then as somebody who's handling events. She's always stayed with the buzz of the times, and that's amazing. I really admire her for it. So let me get her on. Wait, I'm trying to add her, guys. Yeah. And waiting for Sharmila. Somehow my phone just went blank at that time. Waiting for her to join. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
So happy to be seeing you, Sham.
I know.
I haven't
What's
seen you for this
happening?
whole time.
I
You tell
haven't seen you at
me.
all. Even before the
I know,
lockdown, I
I
haven't
can't
seen
believe
you
it.
actually. So, yeah, we have to
For
do one
some
of our
time
lunches.
now. Yes, very,
Yeah.
very fast. Very. Okay, so now tell me, what is it that you've been doing in these 40 days?
Actually, Nandini, this is my normal life. I've not done anything special, though I have
Yes,
to say, because when you're told not to get out of the house,
yes,
there are a lot of things I found to do. So I kept a routine,
yes.
and I get up in the morning, do my yoga, have a lot of things to do. Nowadays, everything's about food. No, everybody says, "What are we eating? What are we eating?" So we're thinking of different healthy ways of eating.
Yes,
And yeah, and I, go for a walk in the evening on my terrace because we're not allowed to go on the road here.
yes.
And I have kept myself so busy. I play poker with all my friends in Bangalore, who,
Wow.
yeah, we all go down to a table together. Of course, I'm the biggest loser, but we enjoy the game.
Yes.
And I've also started playing tambola with some of my friends. Can you imagine?
Wow, what
Yeah, that's
fun.
amazing. All of us get together and we play tambola.
Okay.
And yeah, then I mean, I've watched a lot of amazing movies, some
Yes,
Pakistani serials, amazing. I've done a
yes.
lot of online courses, by the way. I've
Okay,
been
tell
very
us about
busy.
them. Tell us about
Well,
the
I did
online
one from
courses.
Harvard, which was an
Yes,
entrepreneurship course for the economic situation right now. I've done a course at Udemy. I've done 2, 3 courses there on leadership. And I've done one, I'm trying to do one from Harvard to learn about Christian scripture.
Oh,
which
lovely.
I will start now. Yeah. So between the cereals and the courses and the workout, not that one is losing any weight, but we're trying to be healthy.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm so busy. I don't have time till 7:30 in the evening. Like my friends here keep saying, let's get onto a Zoom call, let's get onto WhatsApp. I said, listen, I'm not free. So,
Okay, I
this
have a
is
couple of
actually time
questions.
out. For me, this is like a
Yes.
time out. It's like being in your own home spa because
Yes.
everybody's working out at home. Everybody's
Yes.
eating really good home cooked food.
Yes. Yes.
And everybody's meditating. You're chanting, you're meditating. I mean,
Yes.
everybody's doing everything at home. So you don't
Yes.
need to run to those beautiful spas all over the world and all over India and everywhere. You can do it right here.
Yes, you're right. Your home is your spa. So I want
Home
to
is
know
your
about
spa.
your spa at home. What is the kind of food that you're eating?
So I have now actually realized in my life after so many years being with you all over the world and loving all the amazing cuisines,
Yes.
uh, nothing like Indian vegetarian.
Yes.
So I have now actually got down to eating a lot of Indian vegetarian, and I've
Okay.
realized the system works the best that way.
Yes.
I'm trying to do no carbs and no sugar,
Yes.
except on Sundays, which is, by the way, a very big thing for me. You know me, I can get up in the
Yes.
morning and have a rasgulla first thing, but but for me that's a big thing.
Yes.
So yeah, just trying to be a little healthy, and it's Indian vegetarian for me.
Okay, great. And you can always get fresh vegetables also, right? And you're
Yeah,
near
yeah,
the
we have
market
amazing. We
and
have it coming up. You know, my daughter, she's
yes.
super uh, connected with all this, and we have amazing veggies come to our building once a week. So we've tried different things, and we've eaten different vegetarians which I've not had in a long time. The other day, I
That's
asked a
very
friend of
good.
mine who's turned vegetarian after being non-veg for years. I said, "How do you have 12 things on the table? What are these veggies?" I mean, I can understand you put 12 non-veg things, but what are these veggies? And she said, "Oh my God, Shams, I'll give you the recipes." I said, "Okay, good."
Wow, amazing. So the thing is, I think we're very, firstly, we are privileged that we
Yeah,
can buy vegetables.
yeah,
Secondly, we're more privileged that they're coming to our homes, that they're
yeah,
available. And thirdly, really feel very grateful for the way our government has set it up for us in this
yeah,
lockdown. You know, it's
yeah.
I mean, I know that there are people who things are not available for them, but for a lot of people like us, we are very lucky, and I think we should spend a lot of time on our knees in gratitude. What do you feel?
Nandini, a big shout out, I think, to Uddhav Thackeray and Aditya
Yes,
Thackeray, who are who are on social media answering questions,
I too
talking to
love them.
people. I
Yes,
love them. I just
I
think they've done
love
a
them.
brilliant job.
Yeah,
And yes, of course, I mean, look at the migrant workers, the poor things they have. We are more than privileged. I mean, we are
yes,
thinking of what cuisine to have in our next meal. That's a big thing,
exactly,
So
exactly.
I think they've done a brilliant job, and Maharashtra, I think they've really done a good job.
Yes, yes. So I don't think we can complain. And yes, there are bits of it that are difficult to handle, but I wonder if I was handling it, what I would have done. You know, it's
Exactly,
very easy to
exactly.
criticize, but if
Yeah,
we were in the same position, I wonder what we would have done. Oh, that's
yeah.
lovely. Okay, so that's about your food. I also want to know you said you've done a course now, a Harvard course on the economic situation at this time. So can you tell us
Yeah.
a little bit about that and give us some pointers about
Well,
what you feel is a way forward?
the Harvard course was actually how to deal with different economies.
Okay.
Our economy in 2018 and 2019, we were anyway our economy was low because of GST and
Yes.
demonetization. Things became really it fell for a bit.
Yes.
I mean, I could
Yes.
see being in the fashion business, the market, the prices were all too high. Those people don't sell. It just fell. If
Yeah.
2019 was low, Nandini, imagine what we're going to be now after this virus. We
Yes.
have to all start from scratch. We
Yes.
have to reboot ourselves, rethink of new ways,
Yes.
rethink pricing. I mean, am I going to get onto a flight?
Yes.
Am I going to get onto a flight now? No. Am I going to go and sit in a restaurant? No.
Mm.
Am I going to go to a
Yeah.
mall shopping? No. So, what are we going to do? The main thing is to get online, find different ways to get online. And
Yes.
sorry, it's the American way just to get online.
Yes.
And and pricing is a huge thing. I mean, who is going to go shopping? I don't understand who's going to go shopping. So in India, yes,
Yes.
people will shop before Diwali, because Diwali is a time when people do shop. So hopefully the virus goes by
Yes.
June. We
Yes.
can work on something, think of something. And in America, if it goes by July, they will shop before Christmas. But it's all about affordable shopping. I mean, I don't see
Yes.
anybody really going to fancy restaurants, anybody going to big designer stores. I think that's
Yes.
all going to take a hit. Unless you have a wedding in the family. And if you have a wedding in the family, darling, I don't know who's going to attend these weddings with so many people. So we have to
Yes,
rethink
absolutely.
everything, you know?
Guys, we'll answer all questions and thank you for all your lovely comments later.
Okay, I don't have my
Yeah,
glasses on, so I can't read.
I'll read
But
them
I
in the
guess,
end. I'll
yeah.
read them in the end to
Will you
you.
remember them?
So, no, I'll go back now. We can scroll
Okay.
back.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm wondering about our economy, but you know, like Erica, our friend, said something very
Yeah.
good. She said, look, the economy has gone down before and it will come up. I mean, that's like anything in life. Things go down and things will also come up. But this
Yeah.
is a time, I think, for everybody to reset their buttons, to
You have to
reset.
reset. I mean, whether you're a restaurateur, whether you're a hotel. I mean, really look at the hotel industry has suffered. There's nobody
Yes.
staying in any hotel except for doctors or whatever.
Yeah.
The restaurateurs have to shut down. Big stores have to shut down. So many people can't afford rents. We don't know how long this is going to go on for. That's the other thing.
Absolutely.
We don't know how long it's going to go
Yes.
on for. And in Maharashtra, I mean, I think we should be going on till the first week of June for sure, because
Yeah.
I mean, things are not that great at all
No.
in Maharashtra.
No.
So if people
I feel
grumble
we're
by saying,
lucky.
"Oh, another 2 weeks, another 2 weeks," be
Yeah.
happy it's another 2 weeks and you're healthy and home.
I agree. I feel we're lucky. I feel we're lucky we're
Yeah,
being looked after in this way. You know,
absolutely.
I think it's absolutely
So the economy
amazing.
is going to take a really big hit. It's going to really take a big hit. In fact, the economy is going to take such a big hit that we have to really rethink a lot of things.
Yeah. Okay. And now you've been doing some leadership courses as well. So will you give us
Yes.
five tips on being a good leader? In
5
whatever you're
tips.
doing, 5 tips.
Well, I can see Vikram is on the call. He's a very good leader in his company. Let me tell you,
Okay.
he's a very, very good leader. He has a lot of entrepreneurs who work under him, a lot of designers, and he looks after them really well. He encourages them. I
Yes.
think a leader is somebody who knows, first of all, how to get along with everybody. That's
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Second, a leader is not somebody who thinks, I'm always right. A
Yes.
leader is somebody who knows that there are other brains who think in different ways.
Yes.
There are different opinions. There are different ways of doing different business. There are different designs. There are different models. The whole system of doing business is not run only by a leader. You
Yes.
also need people below you who can guide you, tell you what's right, what's wrong. I think a leader is somebody who has to have a multifaceted, personality. So you know when to say no, you know when to say yes, you know when to,
Yes.
encourage these youngsters of today.
Yes.
And you don't know
Yes.
everything. You may come out of Harvard, but you may not know everything. That's for sure. I mean, I know that,
Absolutely. And the
and I've seen that.
fifth,
Because that's
fifth,
fifth thing is, I think you need to know that when you do well, and in your business, if you're doing well, you have to
yes.
share the profits and the goodness with your staff. That's a big thing, because they're working for you.
Wow.
Yes, of course, they're on a
Yes.
salary, but at the end of the day, a lot of their input is in your business. So, yeah.
Yes,
I think
credit
that's-
also. We have to share credit with
You
them,
have to
right?
share credit. Give credit where it's
Yeah,
due.
yeah.
Absolutely. That's a big
Yeah.
must.
Okay, great. So that is about your leadership code. What does hope mean to you?
Hope is, right now, I hope the virus goes away as fast as it came.
Yes.
And I hope all of us are healthy.
So that's your
I
prayer?
hope that
That's like a prayer,
It's a
right?
prayer. And I
Goals.
hope all of us bounce back with this economy.
Yes.
And I hope all of us flourish. And I think because right now, Nandini, we are all down. I mean,
Yes,
look at New York, look at
absolutely.
America, look at
Yes.
Europe. We are all down. It's not that you or me or he or she.
It's everybody.
There's nobody, everybody. I mean, have you ever thought that the world would come to a full stop?
No. It's come down to
The
its
world
knees,
has come to
to
a
a
full
full
stop.
stop. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So the hope is for everyone to get back, and we will. Trust me,
Yes.
I believe in manifesting. We will. We will
We will.
definitely get back. But it'll take
Absolutely.
time. It takes time. It'll be like I said, you reboot yourself, rebirth. It takes time, but we will do it.
Yes, I agree, 100%. Okay, what is gratitude for you and where does it fit in your life?
Sorry?
Gratitude. What is gratitude for
Oh,
you and where does it fit in your life?
gratitude is how I live, how you and me live.
Yes.
I mean, not even the big things. I'm grateful for even the small things. So gratefulness for me is everything. I'm grateful that I have friends who call me during this virus to check on me. I'm grateful that I have such amazing friends. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for everything. I mean, we have a roof over our head. We have food on our table. I mean, how can we not
Yeah.
be? When you see TV, you see these migrant workers sitting in a bus. I mean, this woman with 3 children today was being asked, "Do you have food for this journey?" And she said, "No." I mean, no,
My
really.
God.
I mean, we can't
Yeah.
be more grateful. So
Yes, we can.
I live. I'm very grateful, and even when I go through sad times. I mean, like last year was a sad year for me. I
Yes.
think it was just sad because I lost my mom, and I took a long time, you know that,
Together.
to get over
Yeah.
it. And it was, and then this happens, but I get out of it. I'm a very positive
Yeah.
person, and I manifest
Yes.
things. One sec, Nandini, just give me 2 minutes,
Yes.
huh?
Yes. 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 So, guys, don't go anywhere because she's going to answer the questions in the end. I'll scroll them up and I'll read them to her. I wear my glasses for every interview so that I can read stuff. So, the person that I interview
Okay, can you see
doesn't have
me?
to wear them, but I'll wear them. Yes, darling, I can see your beautiful face.
Okay. Oh,
Now,
this is my daughter trying to adjust.
yeah, daughter adjusted little better. It's a little blurry
Yeah.
now.
Oh,
It
it's
was
got
clearer
blurry now.
earlier. It was clearer
Oh,
earlier.
it was clearer earlier.
Yeah, where you were earlier was brilliant. Yeah,
Now?
nice, nice, nice,
Okay.
lovely, gorgeous,
Okay.
looking
Okay.
beautiful. Yeah.
Listen, I put on makeup and I put on a lipstick, I don't know, after 40 days,
Thank you
maybe
so
more than that.
much. Good, good. I'm
Huh.
happy. Okay, so we were talking about the word gratitude, and you were saying
Yeah,
that it,
so
yeah,
gratefulness, yes, it is a part of my being. It's a part of my living. It's a part of me. And Nandini, small things, I can't even tell you. Like, I do things like I'm in my car on the road in the heat of summer, and I'm seeing a lady stand with her bag at the bus stop.
yes,
And I'm just saying, thank you that I'm sitting in this car with an AC.
yeah,
You know,
exactly,
you just
exactly.
have to be grateful. I feel you just got to be grateful for everything.
I agree with you. What are your three mantras to living well?
Okay, my 3 mantras to living well. I never used to live in the moment. And
Yes,
about 10, 15 years ago, I decided to live in the moment. It's very easy to say, very difficult to do.
yes,
Because when you are not going through a good phase in your life, it's very difficult to say, okay, now live in the moment, but you're not going through a good phase in your life.
yeah,
But I still pull out that moment and I
yes,
say, no, I have, I'm alive, I'm healthy, I'm not counting my happiness according to my finances, and I'm living.
and you're
So why?
breathing. My
I'm
God.
breathing. And I
Yeah.
and I used to and I always used to say to myself, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Now
Yes.
there's no tomorrow. You want
No.
to do something, you do it now.
Yeah.
So there are
Lovely.
times when I have even during a sort of a sad time, taken out time when somebody said, let's do this, let's do that. And I've said, I'm not in the mood of it. I'm not really. And I've said, no, I'll do it.
Yes.
Because, God gives you opportunities and
Yes.
you really have to just learn to live in the moment. I
Yeah. So
always
that's
say,
one.
why behave dead when you're alive?
Wow.
You know,
Wow.
why are you behaving dead when you're alive? I see so many people say,
Wow.
no, I can't do this and I'm not capable of that. And should I be really doing this? Of course you should. God's given you an opportunity. The door's open. You're just saying,
Excellent.
no, so what if the door's open? No. And the third thing is, I mean, going back to, I love this basic life. I love this basic life.
Yes.
I mean, it's normal for me. So it's lovely. So, I mean, I feel this is the life I would love to live in another city, not in Mumbai right now. It's just too hot. I would love
Yes.
to be somewhere else where it's cooler right now. And bottom line is be grateful.
Bottom line is be grateful. Okay,
Yeah.
let me read the comments out to you. Uh, okay, Vikram Fadnas, I love you. Shams, you are giving loans. Rajita, how are you? Vikram Fadnas, you amazing woman. Rajita, hey Sharmila, I'm from Mitta, Peppermint Diva. Shams, love you. Vikram Fadnas. Shams can help the government. She has a lot of money. Vikram Fadnas. Amazing. Someone's clapping. I love you, Vikram Fadnas. So true, says Leena Mukhi, when you were talking about the leadership values and how you have to give your workers credit. Also,
Yeah.
Ravina Bilani Fab, about when you were talking about the workers. Vikram
Hi,
Fadnas.
Ravina.
I miss Shams. Malini clapping and thing.
Malini, hi.
Vivek Karma truly said about a leader. Mohini Rajani, thumbs up.
Oh, how sweet. Hi, Mohini.
Suzanne, very well said.
Hi, Suzanne.
Nisha Shahani,
Is
everybody's
Erica
clapping.
online?
Erica came and she says, lovely to see the two of you. Erica, we love you.
We love you.
The Vipul Bhagat, hello Sharmila.
Hi, Vipul.
Suzanne, big hi to Shan. Shams is a boss mama. We all love her too much. Dia09.
Okay.
Shan has joined. Hi, Shan. Suzanne again says, hi, Shan. Erica
I
says,
have to
hi,
tell you something about
Suzanne.
Erica, though. It's
Tell
something I
me.
learned from Erica, which has really stayed with me. And that is, Erica she has it in her to just laugh about everything. She's such a
Really?
happy person. I've
Yes.
not met a more happy person, even when she was unhappy. You know, she just laughs at
True.
herself. That's the thing. She laughs at herself.
Yes.
It's very easy to laugh at someone else, but Erica would make it a point to laugh at herself, which is what I love about Erica.
She's not cruel. She won't laugh at the other. That's being cruel.
No, never.
But she's such a kind person. It's unbelievable.
She's a really good soul.
Yes. Yes. And so Shan is saying, even you're like that, mommy. Then someone saying, Nandini, nice session. Erica saying, Shan, I love you.
I can see
Shan
my friend
is saying-
Madhu's on.
Madhu's on. Shan, you rock
Madhu,
star.
hi. Madhu is one of my dearest friends and who is in the same space as I am. We have lots to talk about when we're down, when we're up.
Oh, sweet. Archana sends lots of love.
Queenie, lots.
Arch-
This is a time we've all sort of chatted about life, how to take it forward, just like I talk to you.
Yes, darling. Archana sends her love. Hi, Sharmila. Seeing you after a long time. Archana saying that. Then Janila is saying, love this.
Janella, hi.
Janela saying, love this
Janella
true
is
day
living in Miami.
love this day-to-day factual living. Great job, both. We love you too, and I'm glad you're happy living this factual living. Erica D'Souza, Sharmila, I
Erica.
love you. You have been my role model. Oh,
How sweet.
she's
Little
too
does she know
sweet.
we follow her.
I know, she's a real doll.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm giving kisses to everybody.
What are you going to do after the lockdown, Nani?
Who, me, I am going to first thing go and do my hair. Actually, I'm shooting. As soon as the lockdown finishes, I have to travel and finish like
Wow.
the film I'd signed. And I'll definitely go to church, go to the mandir and give
We
thanks.
go together.
I think that's the first thing I'll do. I'll first
Yeah,
go and give
the first
thanks
thing
to
I'm gonna
God. And then the thing I'll do for me is go and get my hair done.
I thought of
Yeah.
the same thing.
Yeah,
I said I need to go for my hair. It was the first time I've ever done is color my hair.
But I have to
And
thank
I
God.
Definitely go to thank God for health and
I have
happiness.
to
through
thank
this
God
lockdown.
for allowing so much fullness in my
Yeah.
life, you know, and in
Yeah.
the people that I love. I mean, we are all like very, very blessed. So I have
Yeah,
to
we
give
are very
thanks for
blessed.
that. Yeah.
We are very
Any,
blessed. Actually, we are. When you
yes,
look at TV today, you just say we are very
yeah,
blessed. You know,
yes,
in the sweltering heat, I see people in queues waiting to
yes.
just these migrant workers waiting to take that bus and, you know, to go to their village. It's just very sad. It's very sad that
It
the
is very
situation
sad.
that we are in is very sad.
And I'm so
Yeah.
grateful, Tasha and Umang. Tasha is my daughter, for people who don't know, and
Yes.
Umang is her partner who's staying with us. They don't let me do anything or go anywhere. You know, they
You're
have a
blessed.
system.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have to touch
Yeah.
anything. I have to be in my room. They're giving, no,
Yeah.
no, Mama, you eat this. No, no, Mama, you do that. You
That's like
have to
my
be
daughter too.
blessed. Yes. So
Yeah.
we're very lucky for that. So
We are
because
very
we
lucky for
have
that.
that, we have to be just only grateful.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
extremely grateful, but I'm enjoying the lockdown, Nandini. I'm really enjoying
Yes.
it. In fact, even
Yes.
if it is going to go till June, and I'm absolutely fine with it. We just
Yes.
have to rethink what we have to do. And in our life, I mean, we have so much time now. Actually, if you come out of this lockdown, the same person that you were before, that says nothing for you.
No.
You've got to have some change after this lockdown because you're
Yeah.
back to your basics. You're back to, I mean, you may have the car, but you have nowhere to go. You can have your private jet, you have nowhere to fly. You know, you can have, you know, whatever, but it's like you can't do a thing. Our new accessory instead of our shoes and our bags is our mask and our gloves. So
Absolutely.
things are going to change, and so should you. And you know, this is the
Absolutely.
time to just rethink everything in your life.
I agree with you.
Actually, we've got a chance to do and appreciate the universe. Look at the birds. I mean, I
Absolutely.
can't even tell you what lovely birds are here every morning.
Same
You look
here
at
in the
that those.
garden.
Yeah,
Beautiful. Just
yeah,
so beautiful, I can't tell you. Just
yeah.
absolutely beautiful. And the thing is, I'm going to continue with Cope with Hope because I don't think that it's just limited to this time. I think it's there
No,
for all times. I will continue with
absolutely.
Cope with Hope. I will continue with doing meditation series, interviewing people. I'm the busiest now than I've ever been for a very, very long time.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, so a
In
lot I
fact,
will
somebody said, "Oh,
continue.
I'm so bored." The other day, a friend of mine called me and she said, "Listen, I'm so bored. I don't know. Tell me what to do." So I
Yes,
thought to myself, darling, if you're so bored, what do you normally do?
yeah,
She said, "Oh, I would go to the gym. I would do this. I would do that." I said, "But now you're home. Do it at home.
yes,
Do everything at home."
yeah,
So she said, "Yeah, but then after that, what?" I said, "Darling, if you're bored with yourself, imagine other people how bored they are of you.
yeah,
How can you be
absolutely.
bored of yourself?
No,
There's
you
so much
can't.
to do."
There is so much to do. There
Yeah.
is so much
Besides,
to
you
do.
can Zoom call, you can WhatsApp. Listen, first thing you have to be grateful for. First thing is Wi-Fi. It's
I
the
tell
first
you, is
thing.
this that I
It's
can talk to you,
Wi-Fi.
Sham, and I'm so happy to see you. I can't tell you, darling.
I know. The
It's
first
just,
thing you have to be grateful
yeah,
for is Wi-Fi.
so joyful. Okay, any last minute, anything that you'd like to say? Any last words of wisdom before we end?
Just be careful. Don't go running. I mean, the first thing I'm going to do actually after lockdown, besides with my hair and all that, is going to take a decision to not get out for the next 10 days.
Yes,
Because the whole world is going to be on the road.
yeah,
So just be careful. We're not young. We are now senior citizens.
yeah,
So we need to be a little careful.
yes,
And just stay at home, stay safe, and think before stepping out. Because where are you going to go? I mean, are you going to go to a restaurant? Are you going to go to, like I said, a mall? No shopping. I don't think clubs are opening. Do you want to take a flight? I don't think so. So just get prepared to stay at home and be happy you have a
absolutely.
home.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shams.
Not at
Thank,
all. So
thank
good
you
to
for
see you,
agreeing. I
Nani.
know it's so good to see you. I'm
I
so
know.
happy. Yeah, love you too much.
Love you lots. See
You know,
you.
this girl has been sent to this earth as an angel for me. I want to tell everybody that.
Nani, my
I will
career,
never
I have to
forget.
thank you. I'm not your angel. You're my angel. You
I'll
made me the
never
choreographer that I
forget.
was.
You have come from Kulaba to Bandra because I couldn't get out of bed to give me krosin and give me soup. I can never forget that. Never,
You would do it
never.
for me too.
Yeah, darling, I would, but yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm
Thank
so happy to
you.
have done this. See you.
And
Bye,
see
everybody.
you.
Thank
Bye, everybody.
you.
Thanks for joining in.
Thank you for taking the time to join. Tomorrow at 3, I'm interviewing Ellen Modi and Firoza Modi together.
What fun! What
Yeah.
fun!
And at 6, I'm interviewing Rahul and Monish Rora, who run the veranda in Bandra. And they're doing some wonderful things. They're making food and they're feeding people. So that should be interesting too. So I'll
That's
see you
interesting.
guys. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks,
Bye,
Shams.
Nani.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Love you. Bye.